SEETEC.
Creativity meets tech. Vision goes limitless. Feel the world in every frame. Frame the brilliance in every shot. FeelWorld powers your vision with technology. See the world deeper. Capture color truer. As an industry-leading imaging technology solutions provider, FeelWorld has been rooted in Fujian, China since 2011, pioneering the evolution of visual innovation. Specializing in production monitors, industrial field monitors, live streaming devices, and integrated streaming solutions. Listed on China's National Equities Exchange and Quotations Market in 2016. A national high-tech enterprise, FeelWorld delivers professional imaging solutions globally, driven by innovation, defined by quality. FeelWorld's development path continues to attract high-level attention and on-site guidance. Innovation is the driving force behind FeelWorld's development. We drives innovation through its dedicated broadcast media and expert team. We masters core technologies like AI and FPGA, forging lasting partnerships with industry leaders. Rooted in experience, built on technology, delivering performance and reliability that clients trust. Efficiency powers FeelWorld's exceptional manufacturing strength. FeelWorld operates a 30,000 square meters modern production base, starting with high-precision metal processing, laying the foundation for exceptional product quality. Every CNC procedure is detail-driven, ensuring structural integrity and unmatched accuracy. In our SMT workshop, a Class 100,000 cleanroom pairs with Panasonic high-speed placement machines for flawless precision. Integrated with a digital MES system and intelligent material management, we achieve end-to-end smart control from storage to mounting. Every step is rigorously tested to ensure reliable, professional products. FeelWorld combines strict quality standards, international recognition, and patented technologies to deliver trusted imaging solutions across the globe. Professionalism is the promise behind FeelWorld's trusted global solutions. We ensures fast and accurate delivery through a global warehousing and logistics network. At FeelWorld, we deliver expert guidance before the sale and dependable service long after. We operate multiple brands including SEETEC, FeelWorld, and LASIK. With reach in over 200 countries and overseas warehouses worldwide, FeelWorld drives global sales through e-commerce and strategic marketing, earning the trust of top international partners. Joining major global exhibitions to strengthen brand presence and global reach. Since its founding, FeelWorld has earned major industry honors, from global brand recognition to outstanding economic contributor enterprise, showcasing its strength in innovation and leadership. FeelWorld will continue to innovate and evolve, delivering professional imaging solutions and shaping the future of intelligent visual technology.